everybody, this is Daniel. I'm in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and I'm in the Nimman Road area. It's Saturday evening, and I think we're gonna check out One Nimman and maybe find some food. So stick around.
ฝนตกที่ผ่านมานะคะแต่ว่าเดี๋ยวจะเข้าหน้าหนาวแล้วนะแบบว่าเช่นนั้นนะคะยินดีต้อนรับแล้วก็ทักทายนะคะมาลองใช้เป็นท่าทางในงานนี้นะคะ
Yeah, this place is happening for sure. It's like live music, ton of people, snacks, restaurants. So like One Nimman is it's like outdoor mall of sorts. It's definitely nice though. There's a lot going on. There's that like plaza over there. It's kind of like almost European style. We got live music and all that. Like there's some restaurants in here and there's some more stuff around the perimeter, so I'm gonna go do a loop. But like the rest of Nimman, I think this place has seen better days. Actually, when I was here in 2018, it wasn't even open yet, but now I get to check it out. Caricature artists. Just around the perimeter of the One Nimman shopping mall. I think it's almost like Spanish inspired. Like Thai influenced European architecture. I don't really know. You'll always find a ton of like clothing stuff because like northern Thailand is known for that. So there's just a ton like everywhere. This place is like it's the new epicenter of cool on Nimman because everything else is like kind of empty. A lot of beer. So yeah, it's getting to evening on Nimman Road. It's doing the usual super crowded traffic action, but it's good to see a little more people. It just seems a little more like there's more stuff going on, so maybe Saturday's a bit more poppin' than Friday. There's places to eat in here. Like this ginger farm looks pretty interesting. might have to give this a shot actually because I'm a little peckish. So. I like that they're growing the archway right there. Once it grows in, it's going to be pretty interesting, I think. Like, how do I get in this restaurant? I don't know how to get in there. Oh, there it is. Wow. Please use other door. Wow, okay. Dude, this is... Like, I'm trying to go there, and it's a little bit of a pain in the butt. Is there no? Oh, there is. Okay. Right. Oh, it's got some Michelin action. Over there? Okay. Ginger farm. I got a pineapple soda and a pomelo salad, northern style pomelo salad, and crispy pork belly, and then like the tamarind egg, so it should be pretty good. Thank you. Ooh, some pomelo salad action. These are those eggs. And then my blue rice. I think I got pork too. So it's like, there's still more to come. What did I order? Look at this thing. So it looks like almost everything's here. We got the pork belly that just landed. That looks great. Some serious chunks. I think I might have gotten too much food. Pineapple soda. It's not bad. This is pretty good. It's just like Northern Thai flavors just like don't quite do it for me. I just feel like I'm missing something, like the sour bitter or spicy, or it's a little too sweet. I don't know, but Still worth trying. Lasagna.
เนื้อย่างหมูย่างไม้10 บาทค่ะ
Yeah, I don't know how I can look at food because I'm super full. Like, disgustingly full. I ate basically all of it. I didn't really like the pomelo salad though. I'm really trying to find a pomelo salad I like, but it's been hit and miss. And I've been to like 2.5 Michelin star places to try it, you know, like a couple. I will get there someday. Place is pretty cool at night, and there's a nice breeze. I mean, I feel like it's like 75 degrees or something. It's super comfy. No sweat, just like low humidity. It's like California. Oh my god, I was like, I ate like all that pork belly. So that's the basic setup at One Nimman. Should definitely try northern Thai food if you're in the area. They have like very specific dishes that are to this region. Now we're coming up to the last night before I go back to Bangkok, so I head back to Bangkok tomorrow morning. But yeah, I mean, more or less, most of Nimman is pretty dead, with the exception of like this place and then Maya, probably. But look, I mean, it's just Saturday night, like, you know, not much going on, with the exception of here. I need to walk off that meal, so why don't I take you on a journey up Nimman here towards Maya Mall. Oh my god. I ate a whole pig or something. So that's the facade of Nimman 1. This is the dispensary. It's like California style, you know what I'm talking about. I don't need to go into it. This is like an interesting like skate shop too, with like the little pool action. Oh, this is interesting. So yeah, I mean, all things cool up in Nimman. And I'm sure Cartoon's gonna give me shit for pronouncing it wrong. Nimman? I don't know, whatever. I'm a foreigner, it's cool. Like, as you emerge, you can see Maya over there. And then Think Park right there. It's pretty cool. Yeah, but still super sleepy. I mean, it's not really popping off yet. power-saving lights in Thailand are so flashy. For whatever reason, the GoPro really picks it up. Like the other camera on the phone is very slight, but it's like it's pretty big and obvious on the GoPro. Oh look, this isn't upstairs. I haven't been up there yet. All right, let's do it, boys. Oh, I don't know if that's supposed to creak like that, but there we go. God, it looks pretty cool when she gets some height, huh? Let's see what this has to offer. Oh, they get like cool views right here. I don't think there's much going on here. That looks pretty cool. How do I get down? I think I gotta walk down. So you just land basically in that plaza. Also, I think this is, I feel like this is the other music venue. Yeah. It's called Sax. So, it's basically like, I want to say it's from the same people that do Northgate Jazz Co-op, which is fucking awesome. You have to go there. It's like live music, really good vibes, really small and cramped, and you just basically buy a beer and show up. You can just listen to music. So yeah, I think I'll just end the video here while I still have some light and you guys can see me. So thanks for joining, and yeah, Nimman 1. It's about the only place that's popping at night. I'm sure there's bars and stuff that get going, but for like those of us that don't want to party or drink, it doesn't seem like there's a whole heck of a lot down here.